In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the calibration to the Samsung washing machine top load. The calibration must be made to have a better performance on the washing machine. The calibration is also made when we change a part of the washing machine. To do the calibration, we need to press two keys at the same time. The key that says temperature and the key that says delay end. To start the calibration, we need to power on the machine. It doesn't matter what cycle the machine is showing. The only thing we need to do is press the two keys at the same time. We're going to do it. And then we are in the calibration mode. After this, you need to press the start pause key. And then we are in. Now the pump is working. And now the agitator is spinning. It's working, as you can see. Okay, now the test is over. It has finished. And this was the calibration mode for the Samsung washing machine. See you in the next video.